Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to enable the developer option to create macros. So VBA macros used to Visual Basic application in Excel to create or customize user generate function to speed up or uh, to do task manual task in a fast process. So for that we use basically macros. So to enable the developer option, for that you need to go to files, then click on options. Now here we have customize ribbon option, click on that. Now here you can see the main tab option. In that you can see multiple checkbox. So below that we can see the developer checkbox is there. So click on that and click on OK. So after that you can see the developer option is generated here, or it is populated here. If you want to disable, you can just go to option, customize ribbon, and then you can just click on that to enable it and click on OK. So developer option is gone. So in this way you can enable the developer option to do VBA coding.